Hello everyone, so today I'm going to be installing this beautiful wig by Eddie World of Glamour. So this is actually a 30-inch wig, and it is also a 13x4 closure, as I'm showing right here. This beautiful unit comes with clips and the standard 3 clips and elastic in the back. I'm just showing you right here. Honestly, this hair is very beautiful. At first sight, as you can see, there's a lot of movement there. Okay, so for this install, I'm going to be using the Got2b Freeze Spray, the Ghost Bond glue, scissors, and a blow dryer. So right here, I'm just going in with the foundation onto my wig cap to help with the blending of my lace. Okay, so now I'm just going to go in with the Ghost Bond glue all around the edges of my wig cap. Then I will be going in with the end of this rat tail comb here to blend it all out so it's like nice and smooth and even. Then with my blow dryer, I'm just going to use that to speed up the drying process, and then do the same thing again for the second time. So 2 in total. Now with the blow dryer, I just blow dry it till it dries clear, as you guys can see. Then next, y'all, this is where it gets tricky for me. I cannot lie to y'all, because it's kind of like, when you put on your lashes and like wrong move, you gotta do it all over again. Yeah. So here, what I try to do is just line up the very ends of the wig to kind of match like the edges of my wig. Y'all, I don't know why I'm saying wig like that. My wig cap. It's a little tough, but I like to go in and secure the center first, and then I do the sides, left or right, doesn't really matter, depends on my mood that day. But here I'm going in on the left side first. Now I'm just putting my hair back so I can have better access to the lace. Really should have done this first, but everybody's creative. I'm gonna go in with this headband that I got from Eddie World of Glamour. When I tell you Eddie World of Glamour's got everything, she really got everything. Her store is jam-packed. I love it. But yeah, no, this headband is just going to be used to melt the lace some more. Hi guys, so I know I kind of did a lot off camera. I'm so sorry. You guys didn't really miss much. I just cut the lace. Install's done. As I mentioned earlier, it is a 4x13 lace frontal, so I could definitely do a lot of different things with it. So far, there hasn't really been a lot of shedding, and you guys, I ain't even trying to cap like that, okay? It's giving. I will be doing a 1-month review later, and there's no tangles. There's no tangles. My hand has just been moving right through it, as you guys can literally see. This hair is from Eddie World of Glamour. They are located in Edmonton, Alberta. I will have them tagged in this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and come back when I style this later on for my birthday, okay? So that is it for this video. If you'd like to get this hair or anything similar, definitely tap into Eddie World of Glamour, and bye. Thank you for watching. Oh my god. My bad.